Hey there, fellow sci-fi fans! Today let's dive into a fascinating question. Can we use the sun to create warp bubbles? Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride through the realms of theoretical physics and advanced engineering. Alright, so first things first. What exactly is a warp bubble? In the simplest terms, a warp bubble is a hypothetical concept where space itself is contracted in front of a spaceship and expanded behind it. This allows the ship to travel faster than the speed of light without actually faster than light through space. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's talk about the sun. Our sun is an enormous ball of nuclear fusion pumping out mind-boggling amounts of energy every second. We're talking about 3.8 x 10 circumflex 26 watts. To put that in perspective, that's enough energy to power every human activity on Earth for millions of years. So, harnessing the sun's power might just be the key to creating a warp bubble. But here's the catch. The energy requirements for a warp bubble, according to current theoretical models like the Alcubierre drive, are astronomical. We're talking about energy on the order of the entire mass energy of Jupiter being converted to power the bubble. That's a lot more energy than even our mighty sun can provide directly. So, how could we possibly gather such immense energy? One idea is to use a Dyson sphere, a hypothetical megastructure that completely encloses a star to capture nearly all of its energy output. Imagine a swarm of solar collectors orbiting the sun, soaking up every last photon of energy. We could then convert this energy into a form that could be used to generate the space-time distortions needed for a warp bubble. But even with all this energy, there's another hurdle: negative energy. According to Einstein's general theory of relativity, creating and maintaining a warp bubble requires exotic matter with negative energy density. This kind of matter doesn't naturally exist as far as we know. And while scientists have made tiny amounts of negative energy in lab conditions, we are nowhere near the levels needed for a warp drive. So, where does that leave us? Well, it's important to remember that these ideas are still very much in the realm of theoretical physics. But the fact that we're even considering harnessing the power of our sun to create warp bubbles shows just how far our imaginations and scientific inquiries can go. If we ever do crack the code, the implications would be staggering. Interstellar travel, new frontiers, and maybe even the possibility of encountering other civilizations. Until then, though, we can keep dreaming and exploring the vast universe of ideas that science fiction offers us. Thanks for tuning in and keep reaching for the stars.